2024 is upon us, guys. In today's video, it's all about the predictions of what's going to occur in the year 2024, and obviously tying in cryptocurrencies, the economy, and all sorts of stuff, guys. So let us pay attention. Things are looking quite swell, to say the least. First things first, from BC Backer, the biggest sponsors of Consensus 2024 are, or so far, Stellar, Tron, and Hedera were 5-block sponsors last year. Only Stellar continues to do 5-block in 2024, okay? But then, wait a moment, what about XRP? The XRP Ledger was not a sponsor at all in 2023, but a 4-block in 2024, which means they will have a big space in the conference, guys, right? So there's just signals, perhaps that they're going to be ramping up the advertisements, right? Why? Look at this right here from Anthony Welfare. A little ripple goes a long way on the London Underground, right? It's still ongoing. It doesn't seem like they want to stop anytime soon with these ads. Real progress leaves no one behind. Exactly. Everyone needs to get on board, guys, right? Ripple, as you guys can see. So I was going to say is that perhaps they know the case will finally conclude, right? What I do know about the case, guys, it will probably tie in to in a specific area, or they're going to time it correctly, right, with the markets. Either the beginning of an explosion or the top of it, I think. Not financial advice. Now, even Ripple came out with their own 2024 predictions, guys, from the founder and CEO at Medico. So as the industry looks to leave behind the problems it experienced during 2023, a new paradigm is emerging, guys. The crypto industry isn't courting financial institutions as it once was. It doesn't need to. Global banks and industry giants are actively seeking digital asset solutions to satiate client demand for efficient, transparent, and on-demand financial services. In the last year, we have announced partnerships with several global banks, and in 2024, we expect adoption rates to continue to soar. Right? This just means the traditional financial system, they're going to become less hawkish when they look in terms of cryptocurrencies, right? Now, banks are experimenting with tokenized assets and need to be able to do so with confidence inside the framework of strict compliance and security protocols, as well as smooth integrations. The banks want a piece of the pie, 1000%, guys. Now comes in Justin. Bitwise predicts Bitcoin will hit new all-time high of $80,000 in 2024. Wouldn't that mark the top, guys? Right? Wow, a 2x in crypto. Not really. That's in Bitcoin, right? Cryptocurrencies, or the altcoins, the quote-unquote altcoins, will blast off, guys. If this were to occur, that's what I'm hoping for, right? And then it tops around 90K. Now, in 2024, Bitcoin will set a new all-time high. The spot Bitcoin ETF will be the most successful ETF launch of all time. Coinbase's revenue will double and more. So here are 10 crypto predictions for 2024 by Bitwise. So as we just seen, they're thanking Bitcoin 80K. Now, when we talk about Bitcoin reaching that crazy price points, guys, the real question comes into play: how? Prediction number 2, spot Bitcoin ETFs will be approved, and collectively they will be the most successful ETF launch of all time. Within 5 years, we estimate spot Bitcoin ETFs could capture 1% of the $7.2 trillion US market, ETF market, right? Or $72 billion in assets under management, guys. So things are looking crazy bullish, aren't they, for the cryptosphere? From Altcoin Gordon. I was having lunch with a friend earlier who's quite high up at BlackRock. I can't say too much, but what I could say is 2024 will be huge for cryptocurrencies. 2 certain projects in particular, which obviously probably Bitcoin and Ethereum. SEC holds another meeting with BlackRock to discuss its spot Bitcoin ETF, right? So it seems like it's about to go live soon. Now, this is where XRP comes into play, right? This is why possibly Ripple themselves has not stopped the ad campaign, right? And not to mention, guys, if the reason why last time XRP didn't create a new all-time high was supposedly because of what? The SEC, right? It basically they basically suppressed XRP's price, manipulated the price of XRP. But what if that's not the case, right? What if they needed a narrative to help support the idea of XRP just ranging? And now, if you look at the XRP chart, it's like in this triangular pattern, guys, right? And it soon has to break out. Down or up? Probably up, most likely up, right? And it ties in to 2024. Isn't that interesting? While all these things are happening, guys, there's 1.8 million to 2 million Bitcoin left on exchanges. My assumption is that BlackRock will acquire 1 million Bitcoin for the ETF. Then there are 12 other ETFs plus public companies that are now incentivized by FASB to adopt fair value accounting, right? Couple that with low float, 78% of the supply is deemed illiquid, guys. So things are just getting more and more bullish. Even JP Morgan says Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin 2024. Why is that a beautiful thing, guys? Because if Ethereum doesn't outperform Bitcoin, the other coins will not. So this just tells us that all season is incoming, right? So Ethereum outperforms what? Bitcoin, but then XRP has to outperform Ethereum, right? That's how it always moves, guys. Not to mention ETH space gate, right? Maybe that's why it will, because it's all controlled by, you guessed it, these banksters. Another prediction from Ripple, guys. 2024 predictions. It's that time of the year again, and we have asked leaders at Ripple to weigh in on what they think 2024 holds. Ooh, what? Actually, please like this video, guys. I really appreciate it. First things first. Second thing, comment down below. What do you guys think will occur in the crypto sphere, or let's just say in the economy, right? Generally in the year 2024. Comment down below. But our chief legal officer, Stu Alderodi, kicks us off with 3 bold outlooks on policy and naysays crypto regulations for 2024. 1. In 2024, the last bits of the SEC's misguided lawsuit against Ripple will finally come to an end. Whoa, wait a minute. What? We just talked about, I didn't even read this, guys. The last bit of the SEC's misguided lawsuit against Ripple will finally come to an end. Again, they're planning it out, guys. We could see the future, right? Not financial advice, but we could literally see the future. Look at the ads, right? The ads are going ballistic. This is how we know 2023, they didn't do this for consensus. They weren't a sponsor for consensus, but 2024 they will be. That's fascinating, right? That's a little bit fishy. Isn't that interesting? So that's really crazy, guys. I told you, they're going to time it correctly for XRP to explode to the upside, hopefully. But the SEC's campaign of regulation by enforcement will continue against other industry leaders. Exactly. Be very careful of these other coins and projects. No one's safe, guys, right? XRP is, though, because it's not a security on paper. 2. Judges will continue to be the last line of defense against the SEC's overreach, and the SEC will continue to lose major issues in courts, setting the table for a showdown in the Supreme Court. 3. Congress will agree in principle on crypto regulation, but will disagree on the best course of action, leaving NAC's crypto firms stuck while the rest of the world makes significant positive strides. Right? Come on, XRP. It's your, I swear, it has to be, right? It's your time to shine, XRP 2024. You got this. Fly high. Your wings are there. You just have to start flying, right? Flapping and flying. Justin, Coinbase files lawsuit against SEC following denial of transparency against crypto regulations, right? So it's already beginning that they're trying to kill off the SEC at this point, right? Wow, look at that, guys, right? A reverse Uno card. That's insane. Wow, that's so crazy, right? We see actual crypto companies, guys, going after the legal system, right? Because that's how corrupted it is. That's insane. What? New. The SEC has denied The reason why is because the SEC has denied Coinbase's petition for the agency to create transparent rules of the world for crypto, right? The SEC is standing firm on its belief that existing laws and regulations already apply to the crypto securities markets. This is crazy. The responsibility of establishing clear regulations for cryptocurrency doesn't fall on the SEC. It's actually the duty of Congress. But why aren't they stepping in? right? Stepping up to the plate. Maybe they're waiting, I don't know. But CFTC chairman speaks about Gary Gensler and how the cryptos fit well under the commodities law rather than securities law. Wow, right?
What do you see as the distinction between the way you think about crypto and the way Gary Gensler thinks about crypto?
Well, we have the products trading on our markets, and I think really, and we've talked about this in the past, it's a matter of what is the investor, what is the buyer of the tokens getting with its purchase of a token, whether it's Bitcoin, ETH, or anything else. And I've said this very clearly, I've said it many times, I stick to what we have as the legal precedent and what we're seeing on our markets, and under existing law, many of the tokens constitute commodities. And under this rubric, there is a gap in regulation, and I need Congress to step in. And the fact of the matter is, we've literally been talking about this for years, and we still don't have a regulated environment or a regulated entity.
But like when you guys get...
Interesting. So maybe perhaps in 2024, guys, right? Why? The banks, these people will not come and want a slice of the pie unless the damn regulatory framework is set in place, guys, right? And it seems like it's about to be. Ready? Justin SafeMoon officially files for Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Nothing is safe, guys. We just talked about it, right? Breaking Arbitrum, an Ethereum layer 2 network is down. So many S coins and meme coins out there, guys. Be very careful. New user comes into crypto, buys $1,000 worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum, sends to cold wallet storage on his ledger. Price goes up 100%. He connects his wallet to a decentralized exchange to sell, gets his wallet drained, and has $0. It's not even funny, guys. But welcome to the future of finance. That's why, right? Do you guys not understand why Gary and these people are laughing, guys? Right? They're waiting for these attacks to take place. Then they're going to swoop in and try to be the hero, right? Even Ripple XDev came out. Prediction time 2024 is the year of blank on the XRP ledger, breaking out of the multi-year symmetrical triangle, right? Some are saying nothing burgers. A lot of people are saying nothing actually. The AMM sidechains automated market maker. Oh wow, that's where I'm going to be. 33% is going to be stuck in AMM for me, guys. I'm ready. So it looks like a beautiful 2024, guys, right? And there's so much more that's going to be brewing, guys, right? There's just so much to talk about, guys. But are you guys ready? Because I am. Let us see what happens. Now, beneath your voice. When is that Sophia's business? See ya.